Tori.
Shannon.
Tori or Shannon. Let's just put it in that.
Tori.
I'm gonna make y'all run suicide.
We ran 7.
But this girl would not let anybody get by her. In fact, she would chase them around the corner. Wouldn't let anybody by her. Would put them on the floor if she had to. Would get a foul if we told her to go foul somebody. She would do everything we asked. In all honesty, she would be also considered probably one of our most improved players this year. Never played before, did a fantastic job in that game.
Ayala.
Just say.